Hello everybody, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Saturday, December 14th, show number 589. Here are the two words we will learn today. Do you know them already? Please listen and write this in your notebook. The beginning of the movie is funny. The beginning of the movie is funny. Beginning. This is the first part of the movie that you watch. Now let's make a flashcard for beginning. Remember, double N. Please write beginning up here in the top left corner. We usually say the beginning of something. Down here in this corner, N1. This means noun. Level 1. And over here in this corner, the number 16 out of 200. Now I'll show you the IPA. Here it is. Can you say it? Very good. Bit, gin, ing, beginning. Please write that on your card up here in this corner. The beginning, the middle, and the end. Do you like movies? What's your favorite movie? Tell me about it in the comment section. Now we'll do word number 2 for today. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I eat lunch at home every Sunday. I eat lunch at home every Sunday. Here it is, at home. This means I eat lunch at the place where I live. What about you? Do you eat lunch at home every day? Where do you eat lunch? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's make a card for word number 2. The basic form is to do something at home. Please write that on your card. Down here in the bottom left, the category is adverb idiom. Level 1. Please write that down here. And down here, the number is 2 out of 15. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. Can you say it? Very good. At home. Class is over for the regular students. Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Bob has a very good. Yes, this is the way he approaches life. Number 2 is a person that goes to outer space. Very nice. Number 3, this is what flowers do in the spring when they start to grow. I'll see you later, everybody. Bye-bye. And if you are new, welcome to our school. We learn 2 words every day, and we write them on paper flashcards like this. This is a 2-year course with 2 words every day. Here's our schedule for December, and then we take a break for 6 days. And we will begin again on January 1st. You need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards to study here, like this. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. Why not today? Please learn these. And please write your language on the other side of the card. You can meet a speaking partner in our program with this hashtag on your profile. My name is Vinny. See you tomorrow.